Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while because I can't make videos if I've not really got a subject to make them about. I know that some people manage to make a video out of nothing, but I can't do that. So in the cold weather, this handle on the sliding door broke off. So at the minute I've got a piece of plastic bag stuffed in the hole because I didn't want water going in there. Handle, so this part was in the bottom, it's broken from the top and you pulled it like that to open it. Now there's nothing on the side of the door here to get to it, there's no screws or anything on here, so I'm going to have to take the inside panelling off, which is a pain because I've bought, you can see it through the bag, I have bought a replacement door handle which was, I think it was about 20 quid on eBay, but so I have got that. And has it got any bits? No, I'll open it. It's not got any bits to lose, he says, famous last words. No. So you see it's got like these 4 fixing points and it's got a seal, rubber seal around it, and then somehow that lot has got to get fixed onto the wires and stuff that's inside. See how we go. Found it, so it's just got bolts which I have to undo, and these two are not too bad. That one on that side is a bit awkward, but I should be able to do it. The one at the top corner, I've no idea I'm going to do that. I will work it out as I go along. To my amazement, I've managed to get all 4 of the little bolts off, he says. Oh, there we go. 4 of them. And so that is now loose, and I need to work out what to do with all the cables. I'll pull it out and have a look. Let me take you off there. So it doesn't look as complicated as it could do, because they just fit into little like holders. So I don't know if you can see there what I'm pointing at. I can't see what I'm pointing the phone at. Yeah, so they've got little stoppers on the end which fit into these. So I will take a photograph of that so I know where they go back, and then I'll see if I can actually make it work. Go away, fly. I'm making a video. fitted, and it appears to be moving the pulley bit at the bottom. So let me get some bolts back on. I had to put my hat on, it's ever so sunny. It's burning me pasty head. First one. I've been putting this off for months, mainly because I thought it would take ages, and the weather's been so hot and cold and wet and dry. Right, my legs are in the way. Third one going on. Fourth one is the really difficult one. You can even find where it goes. Excuse the faces. Why does it help if you're trying to do something awkward? If you pull funny faces? Why is that? Come on, in the comments. In theory, this should work. Moment of truth, let me move you back a little bit. It's doing the right things. Yay! It's mended! Just need to get the screws, the bolts tightly done up now, and not try and, oh, that's really hot. It's been in the sun, and not lose the spanner in the bottom of the door, which would rattle around forever and be really annoying. So I'll try and do that. It's all back together. I've got all the bolts on. I mean, this top one's not as tight as it could be, but it's not going to fall off. And it's got 3 other ones which are really tight. So I need to get my insulation stuffed back in. Ow. I guess something like that. Oops, a bit of a gap there. Do. Now, where have I put it? I haven't got any of the silver tape because it ran out. So, I'm not buying it for half a metre. So I've got some gaffer tape which should stick to itself. Should hopefully do the job. I guess if I do this corner first. Oh, it's really sticking to itself. That's not the idea. Gaffer tape. Hopefully now it will be easier. I am so pleased with that. I've been putting it off for months because I thought it was going to be really awkward, and whilst it was quite awkward, it wasn't actually that difficult. So, and I think another reason that I put it off is because nowhere on YouTube could I actually find a video of anyone doing it, which made me think it was even harder, because nobody had actually put a video of themselves doing it. So if you have a Peugeot Boxer, a Citreon Relay, or like me, a Fiat Ducato, then they all have the same fittings for the door handles, for the sliding door. You should be able to sort it out yourself, and for not too expensive. Like I say, I think it was about 20 quid. It was so long ago I can't remember. It was either eBay or Amazon. If I find the link, I'll put it below. If I don't put it below, then I forgot to look. So that's it. I've got my vapor barrier sealed again, which I'm not too worried about it being perfect because it's not airtight because of the holes in the door handle on the other side. You may have seen as I was taking it off the wood cladding, I put numbers on there so that I knew which would go where on the way back, because all the drill holes would be in different places otherwise, and that just wouldn't do, would it? Well, there you go, all done. The sliding door handle changed. Brilliant. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. And have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.